Let us learn the eastern states and northeastern states, seven sisters. Okay, see this diagram now, this map. Here, the West Bengal on the left side in yellow color and Bangladesh is in white color. Imagine an auntie Didi, young auntie on the left side and old auntie on the right side. Now, in the map, it is in yellow color, but she is wearing a white sari. This is the Didi, West Bengal Chief Minister. Now see the right side. She is wearing a white sari. She is Bangladesh Hasina. Okay, both. Now, when you are looking towards the map, now Dhoni is on the left side of the or on the back side of Mamata Didi, West Bengal. That is the Jharkhand state. He got the Cricket World Cup for us. So it is very easily to identify Jharkhand with Dhoni. Okay. Now, what Dhoni, the on the top of the Dhoni is Bihar. He got many prizes and awards and gifts after Dhoni won the World Cup. So one of that take it as the Bihar. They are given a gold chain. The chain is having a B locket B and it is a Har. Now you see West Bengal. She is like an young auntie, our Mamata Didi. Okay, see her hairstyle. On the top, I have put a national flag for easy imagination. Okay, now see the height of Didi. The height of Didi is more than Dhoni plus Bihar. Okay, this is the point to be noted. Okay, now see the Sikkim. Sikkim state, it is like a small bird on the top of the flag or West Bengal Mamta Didi. Okay, it is a uh, peace symbol for us. Okay, we India, we always want peace. We can even imagine Assam is like a gun. On the top of the gun, that peaceful dove is sitting there. Okay, so there is no firing happening. Like that also we can imagine that one. That is a Sikkim state. Sikkim is a northeastern state. Eighth one. Now let us see what are the eight eastern states, seven sisters. Now see this diagram. You can easily imagine a woman called Arunachal Pradesh. No, the very first place where sunlight is going to come. So see that violet color. That is the head of Aruna. And Assam, imagine like a big gun. Okay, it is like a right hand actually, and her right hand. Meghalaya is the left hand. Okay, so these are the seven sisters of the East: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, and Nagaland. Now see her. I have put a eye picture here. You can easily imagine the Aruna here. Okay, so the first sun comes from this side. It is the eastern side. Okay, now see the Aruna. Imagine her. Her right hand as Assam, left hand as Meghalaya, right leg as Tripura, left leg as Mizoram. See the left and left. Left hand is Meghalaya, left leg is Mizoram, and lower portion of the backside Manipur. So L. On the left side only Mizoram, Meghalaya, and Manipur are there. Now imagine Manipur as a bag. Aruna attached a bag behind her, and there is lot of money in that. That is money, 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 and some snakes are guarding that Nagaland. On the top there are many cobras. You can see they are guarding that. So these are the seven eastern sisters. Now see how the Assam is. Assam, imagine it is like a special gun. It is a double barrel gun, a special gun made. Assam Rifles is the unit, no, paramilitary force. Now Tripura and Mizoram are like the legs. Tripura is Tinpura are having water. Mizoram is of mountains. Okay, so you can imagine with water and Mizoram also. And how now Meghalaya is on the top, Tripura is at the bottom. If water evaporates, it forms Meghalaya, and if the clouds come down as the rain, it will come to fall in Tripura as water. So Meghalaya and Tripura are interconnected, clouds and water. Okay, now see the Nagaland. On the behind Aruna, it is a bag. It's having cash, and on the top, Naga snake is guarding. Snakes are guarding that. That is a Nagaland below. Now you can see all these things. See the Jharkhand where Dhoni is there. On his to left side, looking from here, is Chhattisgarh in the shape of a she horse that comes in central India, central state. Okay, now Odisha is at the bottom of the Dhoni, Odisha state, and top of Dhoni is Bihar state. Okay, and now West Bengal is on the front side of Dhoni, or Dhoni is behind the West Bengal. These four states are called the eastern states: Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal. Now Sikkim is a northeastern state, and now we will see the next seven sisters of the east. What is that? Arunachal Pradesh, and next Assam as right hand of Aruna, Meghalaya left hand of Aruna, Tripura right leg of Aruna, Mizoram left leg of Aruna, Manipur is a bag with money, lot of money, and Nagaland is a lot of snakes guarding that money. These are the seven sisters of the east. Total there are 12 states, 4 plus 8, 12 states. We can take it as 1 dozen. Remember, as 1 dozen. Please like and subscribe.